Hey, what's up guys? So today I will winterize my Yamaha Wave Runner jet ski. So this is it right here. So the things you need a defogger. So this will keep your engine from corrosion, stuff like that during the winter season. You need antifreeze to run through the system, and you need a stabilizer for your fuel. Okay, the stabilizer right here, it's 30 milliliters per every 10 gallons. So we add this on too. Okay, so let's get this started. Okay guys, so when adding antifreeze, I did some already. I don't have a special tool to connect, but I did put my hose one. So once you do that, once you turn it on, it starts sucking. So you can start pouring it little by little. And that is exactly the way I did it. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit and then I'll cut it off. Okay, so I will turn on. Okay, so I did it like that. It does move pretty good, and once it start pouring from the bottom, you can see there. So that means it's all in the system. Okay, so I didn't want to get it onto the ground, which is this is good for the environment. It doesn't mess it up at all. And that's it. Once you get it to the system, it comes out to the bottom. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Okay guys, so defogging the engine. So you're gonna use a 10. Take these 4 off, and these are your spark plugs.
Right, I should vacuum first. I should vacuum first.
Right. Okay, so now you grab your defogging oil. It has a little extension right there, and you spray it into your, okay, spark plug, so this stops the engine from corroding. Do a little more. Okay, so now you turn over the engine, so you connect the key, and that's it. That's all you want to do, because you want to get the whole engine. So you spray a little more. Final. Like that. One more time, and that's it. Just a little bit at a time. Let me show you guys. So it's just like this, and you spray it into the little hole. That's it. Now you put your spark plugs back in. Just gonna help your engine not corrode during the winter time. Okay, that's one. You want to try to get the tool that holds the spark plugs. It's the best thing you can do. I'm gonna hand tight it right now, and then I'll tie it up. Just make sure you turn over the engine so you can get all on the engine head and all that stuff. Okay, we're on the last one. Okay. So now you want to get lightly tight. Don't have to be, that's good enough. Snug it. Okay, so that's done. Now you put your coils back. I try to leave them separated so they can line up the way it's supposed to be. Lock it in. Lock it in. This one goes under the holes and you turn it. And final. Okay. Now you put your size 10 back. Again, snug them. There you go. So defogging the engine is all set. Now we'll go to the fuel. Okay guys, to finish it up, this is the 360 Marine. So it says in the back, for 10 gallon it's 30 milliliters. So right here it goes up to 15. So I will do that twice for 10 gallons. I have about 15 gallons. So I will go 3 times. So I'll go 45 milliliters into my 15 gallons. Okay, you can see here. Stop. Okay, so the first 15. Okay, that was the first 15. So now do another 15. That's about another 15 right there. And my final 15. So basically filling this little thing up is pretty much 15. No more. Let's fill it up twice. Let's see where that goes. Oh, that's about 15. So this will help when the water separates from the fuel over time. So this helps. So this lasts about 12 months. So you're good for all winter long when you turn it back on. So this is the one I have right there. 3 of those for my 15 gallons. Very nice. So now the final step will be covering the jet ski. Okay guys, so now final will be taking out the battery. So I'm just gonna disconnect it for now, and I will keep on charging it with a charger. So let's take this off. This so it won't kill the battery. Basically, you can store it somewhere safe. But I do have a charger for it. Okay, that's out. Put the screw back in. Maybe I'll store it in my basement. Where you detach your battery, you take these little clamps off. You take those clamps off and the battery comes out. So now just take out the negative. Hold on, baby. The what? Make the car what? Oh, shine. Hold on, baby. They're gonna put you on YouTube now.
Huh?
I'm gonna put you on YouTube saying that because I'm recording and you saying it. Remember, negative, positive. Okay, so the jet ski is all covered. In the description there will be a link for all the stuff I use in the video. And this is the cover. The cover locks up from the bottom. Very good. And that's the way it looks. Awesome. Winterize for the winter. Beautiful.